Trade shows, gold for tech and engineering. Phil Bacon, Introduction, The Underrated Value of Trade Shows. Trade shows have stood the test of time, acting as a beacon for business development across a multitude of industries. Particularly for sectors like tech, engineering and manufacturing, these congregations serve as a nexus point, offering companies an unparalleled opportunity to flaunt their innovations, mingle with potential partners, and gather priceless insights from the market. In an era that largely revolves around digital marketing, these tangible events stand out. They offer businesses a rare occasion to directly engage with their target audience face to face. By converging at these venues, companies not only get the chance to magnify their brand visibility, but also partake in high-value lead generation and industry networking. For businesses wanting to capitalize fully on these events, the essence lies in planning. A well-defined strategy, a prepped team, an engaging stand, and a methodical post-event follow-up for leads are all paramount. Navigating the trade show landscape, essential preparation. Jumping into the trade show world without a robust strategy is like sailing without a compass. To harness the full potential of these events, especially for tech, engineering, and manufacturing entities, meticulous groundwork is vital. This involves an intimate understanding of the event's demographic, crafting of key messages, and devising captivating ways to engage attendees. It's not mere attendance that matters. What remains ingrained in attendees' memories is the impact created. A thoroughly prepped business can articulate its unique selling proposition, magnetize the desired audience, and garner substantial leads. The resultant effects are manifold: booming sales, enticing partnerships, and doors open to new avenues of collaboration. So begin your preparations early, weave in the event details and its audience, and tailor your presentation to echo your brand's ethos and message. The do's and don'ts of trade show attendance. Trade shows, like many other events, have their own set of unspoken etiquettes. Recognizing and respecting these can dramatically influence the success businesses to reap from their participation. By sidestepping the usual pitfalls and imbibing best practices, companies can optimize their trade show ventures. In the grand scheme of things, grasping these nuances holds immense weight. It safeguards businesses against expensive oversights and amplifies their outreach. The benefits of such adherence are multifaceted: a bolstered brand reputation, enriched attendee interactions, and heightened lead conversions. A golden rule to keep in mind: focus on forging genuine, impactful connections rather than just racking up numbers. Maximizing engagement. Techniques to stand out. In the bustling environment of a trade show, where every brand strives for attention, creating a distinct identity is challenging yet indispensable. Utilizing imaginative engagement strategies, be it through touch and feel displays, live demos, or intriguing giveaways, can make all the difference. The art of standing out is not just to be seen, but to be remembered. In a scenario where attendees are swamped with information and pitches, only those that truly engage will carve a lasting memory. Such impactful engagement can translate into heightened brand recall and in turn more leads and conversions, so always seek to innovate. Whether it's the allure of virtual reality or the immersive experience of augmented reality, the integration of these technologies can redefine your trade show presence. Building strategic relationships, networking at trade shows. Beyond tangible products and flashy demos, trade shows serve as a crucible for forging powerful industry relationships. It's here that businesses can cross paths with potential clients, industry stalwarts, and even competitors. Networking is not merely an exercise, it's an art form. Done right, it can lay the foundations for future business endeavours, partnerships, and unique collaborations. Engaging with a diverse group at these events offers a panoramic view of the industry's landscape, and these strategic alliances have the potential to shape a company's trajectory, opening doors to fresh markets and technological advances. As you delve into this realm, remember to prioritize genuine relationship building over transactional interactions. Successful trade show strategies in tech, engineering, and manufacturing. Learning from real-world success stories can be incredibly enlightening. By dissecting the strategies of those who have left a mark on trade shows, other businesses can glean actionable insights. Personally, I like to attend one year, then exhibit the next. But that isn't always viable, as it puts you a year behind. The event organisers tend to be very good at pushing the metrics, but really, the end story is, what is the ROI? Talk to past exhibitors, especially ones that did it the year before and then ones that have been doing it for several years in a row. These companies will tell you the story you need or want to know. Trade shows post-pandemic, what's changed? The aftershocks of the global pandemic are omnipresent, reshaping the very fabric of business interactions. As trade shows resurface, it's vital for businesses to recognise and adapt to this new normal. The pandemic, in its wake, has thrust upon us an altered business landscape. Now, agility and adaptability aren't just virtues but necessities. Understanding and evolving with these new dynamics ensures that businesses don't just participate but truly engage in a post-pandemic world. The blending of digital and physical, a renewed emphasis on safety protocols, and an innovative approach to attendee engagement are all now part of the trade show playbook. Looking ahead, the future of trade shows in tech, engineering and manufacturing. The realm of trade shows, though influenced by recent events, remains ripe with potential. As the horizon of these events evolves, businesses must stay attuned to the changing rhythms to seize emerging opportunities. In this constantly metamorphosing landscape, the businesses that stay ahead of the curve will inevitably reap the most benefits. By proactively adapting to emerging trends, businesses can cement their position as industry frontrunners. And this vanguard stance invariably attracts more attention and opportunities at trade shows. To navigate this future effectively, businesses must remain informed, innovative, and ready to pivot. The role of technology in modern trade shows. The digital revolution has indelibly marked the trade show industry. The infusion of technology offers businesses novel engagement avenues, transforming the very essence of presentations and networking. Incorporating technology amplifies the trade show experience, turning it into a more interactive and unforgettable event. Whether it's leveraging virtual reality for product demos, creating interactive kiosks, or using digital platforms for networking, technology stands as a game changer. For businesses keen on leaving a lasting impression, embracing these technological tools is the key. Conclusion: turning trade shows into treasure troves. In wrapping up, it's undeniable that trade shows, with their vast potential, are veritable goldmines for businesses in tech, engineering and manufacturing. By internalising and acting upon the insights shared in this guide, businesses can truly turn these events into treasure troves. In a world where opportunities are myriad yet fleeting, the essence lies in seizing them. Trade shows epitomise this sentiment. They're not just events, they're platforms for growth, networking and innovation. To truly unearth the gold these events promise, companies must approach them with diligence, strategy, and an insatiable thirst for innovation. Unlock the full potential of your business with Marketing Managed, Bacon Marketing, Total Engagement Method, TEM. Have you ever considered the vast potential lying dormant within your marketing efforts? As industries continually evolve, so should your approach to promoting and scaling your business. Marketing Managed invites you to explore our groundbreaking TEM process, a detailed, customised and result-driven methodology tailored for businesses in the technology, engineering and manufacturing sectors. Why is the TEM process a game changer? Comprehensive 360-degree audit. Dive deep into your current marketing channels, understand your standing against competitors, and unearth hidden avenues for enhancement. Strategic precision. Our emphasis extends beyond mere legend to guarantee effective management and conversion, ensuring your marketing efforts translate to tangible growth. Customized approach. We account for the nuances of your business, from the target market and sales cycles to unique customer challenges, ensuring a strategy tailored for maximum impact. Continuous evolution. With an agile approach that merges timeless techniques with current trends, we make certain your campaigns cut through the market noise. Transparent communication, stay in the loop with regular check-ins, monthly reports and quarterly planning calls, all supported by real-time data dashboards. Quick results, witness preliminary success in as early as 45 days and robust lead generation by 90 days. With accolades like the Magic Leap 2 pre-sale launch and May HR pipeline generation under our belt, we've showcased time and again the proficiency of our total engagement method. Designed for businesses ranging from 5 to 250 employees with established marketing budgets, our TEM process ensures that every marketing penny is strategically invested. So, are you ready to catapult your business to greater heights? Reach out to Marketing Managed, Bacon Marketing today, and let's embark on a transformative journey with our total engagement method. Let's redefine success together.